This is our CI/CD pipeline. I'm using Railway to host both the front end and the back end, and it's set up to the main branch of our repository. So anytime there's a change to this branch, it will automatically redeploy both the front end and the back end. So here I'm going to redeploy the front end and the back end and show the logs in the process. So now they're both being deployed, and I could view the logs of the back end here. I could see that a lot of it was cached and it was successfully built in 1.99 seconds. And then if I go to the deploy logs, I should be seeing the container startup. So here I can see that the container is starting and it's running the unit tests. Here I can see the output of the test, and I can see that all of them passed, 101 out of 101, and that the server is now listening on port 8080, and the API documentation is also available. So if I go to that URL, I can see all of our endpoints. And if I check on the front-end deployment, I could also see the build logs. I could see that this one is still being built. And here I could see that the build time was 53.50 seconds and it was successful. And at the deploy logs, the container should be starting up soon. So here I can see it starting, and we're using Caddy as a web server. I can see that it's running. So if I go to the URL, it'll be up. And that's our CI/CD pipeline.